Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make Haitian bread. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button below and let's get to it. Here are today's ingredients. 3 and 3/4 cup bread flour, 1 pack instant yeast, 1.5 teaspoon table salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 cup evaporated milk, half cup warm water, 2 tablespoons softened butter, and 2 tablespoons vegetable shortening. In this mixing bowl, I'm adding all the dry ingredients and mix it for a couple seconds. Now I'm adding the milk, and then I'm gonna add the butter and the shortening. I let the dough knead for 8 to 10 minutes. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can also use a bowl and use your hands. After the dough I've been kneaded for 8 to 10 minutes, I transfer in a grease bowl so it don't stick to the bowl. After I put the dough in the bowl, I cover it with a plastic wrap to prevent it from drying out. Next, I put it in a warm place and let it rise for 45 minutes to 1 hour. After 1 hour has passed, my dough has risen. Look at that. Now I'm kneading the dough for 1 minute. After that, I grease the parchment paper with butter so it don't stick to the paper. I'm cutting the dough in 4 equal parts and make 4 loaves. I roll each log separately. After I finish rolling the logs, I pinch to close the seams to prevent from bursting open. Now I put them in the baking sheet and put some butter on top. It's optional. I cover them with a plastic wrap so they don't dry out and let it rise for 30 minutes. After rising a second time, I preheat the oven at 350 and bake for 40 minutes. Everything looks good. Wow, look at my beautiful bread. This is the final result. Bon appetit! I hope you enjoy it. So good and delicious. Thank you so much everybody for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. Happy holidays. Thank you and bye bye.